So after 3 months of planning, we finally officially arrived to our final destination. It was a long 38 hours of total travel time to get here, but we're so excited to settle into a new home.
So where exactly are we? Here are some of your guesses, and some of you were right on the money.
Yeah, some of you were like
right there.
Scaringly right on the money.
Before we reveal our secret location, let's rewind back to 2 months ago during the moving and packing phase where you can see all of our struggles. We had a ton of struggles to get to where we are right now.
Yeah, it was a lot of work. So before we left the US, we had to do a whole laundry list of things. So we had to rent out a house, declutter, sell all the stuff we don't need, which was a lot, research and submit all the visa requirements. There was so many hoops we had to jump through due to COVID restrictions just to get here. We had to roll over our 401k. We had to book our 3 flights, quarantine hotel,
and the villa.
Yeah. And we had to put our kids to school, minor thing.
It was a lot of work. So we're gonna show you what we went through, and here you go.
So it's 11 p.m. and my wife just woke me up to share some insights that came to her. What are these thoughts that are bothering you?
So our house got rented. Here's the thing that worries me. What if they're meth heads? Like, what if they're using a house, to sell cocaine or meth? And what if we come back and the carpet smells like meth and the walls...
What does meth smell like, baby? Tell me tell me from your experience, what does meth smells like exactly?
Oh, fine. How about, I don't know, heroin or...
Okay, what does heroin smell like?
Don't you watch Breaking Bad? It smells like the meth smell. There's not that, or the cooking meth. It's a different sort of the cooking meth. I don't know. I'm just saying, you don't know who you're renting out to. It's a valid concern. We should have rented it unfurnished.
There you go. Let us know your thoughts. Comment down below about your meth smell experience. Share with us.
I gotta take down the Zillow listing.
Why?
2 more people applied.
We have a lot so far.
Yeah. One of them says she's a content creator / streamer / model. You know what that means?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
What does that mean? YouTuber?
No. Probably a webcam girl.
What do you mean?
She does shows on camera.
You don't know that. That's not.
Content creator, streamer, model.
Probably an Instagrammer. Wild guess, but whatever.
Maybe.
I just checked our bank account. The money came in. Shh, let's go down the main tray.
Hey babes, guess what?
What?
Guess who got paid?
What?
Guess who got paid? We got paid.
For...
He put the money in the account.
No way.
Yeah,
Really?
so we are officially landlords.
We got a tenant?
We got a tenant.
Yes, we got a tenant.
Officially paid us some money, so we're not worried about it anymore, and we're golden, baby.
I was gone for 2 days. I passed my COVID test. I come back, and then I hear this Sammy's last day.
Are you gonna cry? Tell me.
No. Unless you catch me in the corner somewhere.
I am done. My last day and I'm done. I was so happy all day. I was like, oh, this is a great day. There's really chill patients. The universe is rewarding me for being a great provider. And of course, at 6 o'clock, we have a line of people coming in, and I got the last patient at 6:58 p.m. Chest pain, shortness of breath, couldn't breathe. And I was like, oh. And so I ended up staying about an hour after, and that's urgent care life. This is what my life is like. But it's so good to be done. I don't think I've hugged any of my coworkers as much as I did today. I give everybody hugs, and I've been here for 3.5 years. They see me go through 2 pregnancies, pumping, and I am really gonna miss them. I had some incredible coworkers. This is the end of a new chapter, so. I have the 9,000 documents that you printed. What are you printing out?
I'm printing out visa documents for the secret destination that we're going to that requires 10,000 and documents. It's the most crazy process.
This photo is going to be very usable.
For what?
Of Levi.
What are you doing?
Editing the photo of Levi for the visa application. This guy might have to redo it.
It's poor quality.
Yeah, he's not the best subject.
I told you from the very beginning, do the visa early. I told
It said
you.
on the website, do not apply for the visa too early.
But you should look at all the requirements and make sure
I
all the
did.
stuff is done so you don't like stress out the last minute.
I did.
And now you're freaking out about the visa because
I did.
you didn't do what I told you to do.
No, they don't give you like the right requirements.
In today's episode of Organized Freak, I have 1,000 these bins because I like to keep things organized. And I am not parting away with these because I love them.
Are you keeping all of them?
Yes! What kind of question is that, right?
Are you sure?
Our tenants do not deserve these.
Are you gonna need them ever again?
Yes! We are gonna move back here. We're not leaving forever.
Dang, you guys fit a lot in the...
Yes, we did. It is jam-packed.
I can't believe we actually fit this whole bed in here, in this one car. It's pretty impressive. It's all dried up. It was like a bubble where the water was just like leaking out of here.
And then also this part, look, the water dripped down too. Like that is not the design of the house.
I can probably take care of this.
I am at my OBGYN's appointment. I want to get everything checked out before I leave on this big long trip for a year. And I got to make sure my lady parts are good, all my blood work is normal. So that's what I'm doing today. What are you doing here?
I'm getting a shot.
What shot?
Tetanus shot.
Why?
Because I'm traveling to another country.
Far, far away.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah. I am calling Fidelity right now to roll over my 401k. And it's been sitting
Thank
there
you
for
for
10
calling
years.
Fidelity
I should
Investments.
probably roll that over too.
To get started, enter your username if you have one. One moment while I look up your information. How can I help you today? The more you say, the better.
Roll over 401k.
Okay, 401k rollovers. Is this 401k plan currently held at Fidelity?
Yes.
I didn't understand.
Yes.
This 40 I need you to speak more so I can verify.
Yes,
your voice.
it is at
Please say
Fidelity.
your date of birth. For example, you can say January 1st, 1960.
So Theo has been packing for this trip for months, okay? And I just found his little stash. So obviously his books is what's very important. His size 4 underwear. You want to make sure that I got the picture of Levi. His piggy bank that he painted himself. His camera. Some money he got. Thailand money. One of our friends sent to us. Some pens. I don't know what this is. It's like a spider. Some of his art that he wants us to bring. His favorite unicorn, his watch, some books, tape, tissue, very important tissue for his nose because he has stuffy nose. That is it. So now we're gonna repack all this stuff. Oh, Theodore.
He's a good packer.
Yeah.
He brings only the essentials.